afternoon, children. How are you? How are you, children? Okay, in your previous class, already I explained what is that pollution. Pollution, air pollution already I explained. Now I am going to explain what is that land pollution. Land pollution. Do you know, children? What is the land pollution, children? What is the land pollution? Causes and effects of land pollution. Okay, see children, here a picture is there, one picture is there. Here one picture is there, these from these containers throwing the garbage, waste, these waste throwing from containers, no. So these waste, from this waste polluted land. Land means what is that soil is there na, soil. So getting polluted from that waste, garbage, from that garbage getting polluted. What is that? Soil polluted. Soil pollution. So many, listen children, so many members, what are they doing? So many members wasting are there na. Garbages, waste, plastics, these are here and there, they are throwing here and there. So totally they are, what is that? Spoiling our soil, means land. Means what is that? Land. So on the land, we are crops, means what? Crops, we are eating food, no? We are eating food. What is that? Rice and maize, they are farmers, they are what is that? Growing crops, no? So that crops on the land only, no? So some members that land spoiling means that polluting some members. So on that time what will the crops will, what happened on that time? Crops will spoiling, no? So we are eating food, rice. So that rice coming from crops. Okay, farmers growing crops, no? So some members what are they doing? They are spoiling the land. So on the time only getting soil pollution, land pollution, children. That is the not good. And another one is what? Files and insects breed and sit on the garbage. Yes. In your house also so much dust is there. Dust and garbage is there. And garbage tractors will come near to your house. On the time also, whenever coming garbage, that total garbage throw in garbage tractor. So that tractor, the tractor on the time what will do, children? Total garbage throw in open place is there. Throw in open place, that garbage tractor. So on the time, on the time also, land also spoiling now. Soil pollution will come. Getting polluted, no? Soil pollution, getting pollution, soil pollution, no, children? Soil means what? Matti. Soil means what? Matti. So that one also important, children. Many peoples, they are using soil for many things. Pots. Potter is there, na? Potter making pots with soil, means mud. Okay, potter makes pots with clay. Clay means muddy. Okay, so that soil will getting polluted. So on the time pots also will come, na? No. Why? Because getting polluted soil did not getting pots. So that only I am telling, children. You small children, you cannot understand, I think. telling you small children, you don't know how to understand this pollution. You don't know what is the pollution, air pollution and land pollution and the noise pollution. You don't know. So that only simply I am telling children. And third class, fourth class, in third, fourth class also, what is that you learn. Okay. Plastic covers and contents cannot go into the soil as children. So many members waste throwing in on the soil. No? So on the time plastic covers, plastic what is that? Bottles are there, na children. That bottles, plastic, whatever is there, plastic cannot go into the soil, children. Animals, some animals come to that garbage. They are animals also eating garbage. So on the time also animals eating plastic. So whenever eating animals plastic, whenever eating animals plastic, so on the time animals also may fall. Animals also fall ill. Spoiled animals also killing animals also killing. That what is that? Plastic. So plastic is the very dangerous, children. Don't use plastic, children. Don't use the plastic. Cotton bags are there. Cotton bags. That only you should use. Remaining waste can get into the soil, but plastic cannot go into the soil. Plastic. Remaining waste is there, garbage, small waste, dust. These dust can go into the soil, but plastic cannot go into the soil. So that's why I am telling children, don't use the plastic covers and plastic bottles. Don't use. That cannot go into the soil, plastic. So that only I am telling you, should every time you should use what is that cotton bags and your mother using what is that handbags your mother is using. So handbags also you suggest to your parents, don't use what is that plastic, mom. You should use the what is that cotton bags only. Don't use plastic, like you tell to your parents, children. Okay, tell to your friends and tell to your others. Don't use the plastics, and you always use the what is that cotton bags only. Okay. And another one, what is that, children? First here, how to avoid the land pollution, children. In your kitchen waste is there, papers, glass, and what is that? So many in hospitals also, so much plastic bottles are there, and so much waste is there. So that waste also throw in some place only. Here and there, don't throw. Never throw the here and there that waste. After what will do, animals roaming here and there, and human beings also here and there roaming. So on the time something happening. So that's why whenever you go, you tell to your parents, you tell to your friends, garbage, mainly garbage and garbage waste throw in dustbin only. Don't throw here and there. Don't throw. So like you tell to your friends and parents, children. Okay. After listen, children, here course book page number is 75. These page and air pollution should read. And next land pollution also, this page you should read. Okay. After next class I will explain clearly land pollution and noise pollution, means sound pollution. Okay, children, thank you so much.